Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify XM account KYC step by step. XM platform you must complete KYC verification and this process is required to confirm your identity and protect the account from fraud. Without verification you may not be able to deposit, trade properly or withdraw your profit. So first you may need to open to your web browser and in the top there's an address bar, type down xm.com and enter it. Once you get into this interface, click onto this login in the top right corner and make sure to log into your account already. Again, inside this XM dashboard, what you can do is in the top right corner here, this is a profile icon. You can select this profile icon and here you'll find this verification that is unverified. Click onto this verification section here and you need to manually fill up your personal information. First, you need to type down your phone number. Click onto this receipt code here on the bottom and after that you can enter your code as well. After you verified, what you can do is type down your first name, your middle name and your last name and your date of birth as well. Click onto this continue on the bottom. Over here type down your address bar, your street number, your postal number and upload your identity proof as well. And you need to proceed with submit your documents, take a selfie of your ID and you make sure your face is clear and your ID is readable as well. And that is it. This is how you can verify your XM account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.